Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I want to show you a small collection of Craftsman Stubby screwdrivers I have here. 1/4 forged USA on this one. They all have their numbers here and the WF. I'm not sure what that stands for, so if anybody knows what the WF is, let me know. This one's in pretty good condition. This one here, got the WF on it as well. Got a Phillips here. Get this one, another flathead. Got this one. Good condition, flathead. And then this little guy right here. It's not a Craftsman, but it's pretty cool. It'll come in handy, I think. You even could put your thumb right here.